Hello and welcome. Well, this video will be very short and well, because there isn't much to tell about this gadget, but I still wanted to show you that such gadget exists. So what it is being used for, that is basically like a hook remover that might actually prevent you from harming yourself when you are removing the hooks or the lures from a predatory fish's mouth. So how does it work? Well, all is pretty simple. It works like pretty easy. So you just open it up, put it inside of the fish's mouth, locate the hook or the lure, and then just gently remove it. That is pretty much all that it does. Another thing which I do like about this one is that well, you can actually use it for the smaller fishes, for the bigger fishes. It doesn't really matter. It is quite long, and it is made from stainless steel, so it won't rust. But again, they are actually telling you within the description of the item that it won't rust. But well, from my point of view, it's best to keep it dry after each usage in order for it to last much longer for you. If you'd like to check the price for this one, I'll put the link within the description. I think that you've already seen these while fishing, or you might actually have one. If you do, just tell me whether you like it or not within the comments. You can also put a thumbs up if you found the content useful, and you can also subscribe to the channel if you'd like to become a part of our community. So quite a handy gadget if you are constantly on the move and constantly trying to catch that predatory fish. So you should definitely have something similar to this one, whether it's one of these or any other hook removers that are out there and that I've actually shown on my channel. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.